Have a look at that. Look at this bad boy. Alright. Yeah, boy.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical. And every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you lot today at home, I'm gonna be cooking. Guess what I'm cooking? Well, you can't guess because that's so long. I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna be cooking. I'm making you guys some noodles with steak. So stay tuned, see how it goes, what goes down, and yeah. But before we go to the next stage, I need you guys to go and click that red button, smash it. It's called subscribe. Hit it, comment, like the videos. Don't forget. Also, follow me on Instagram as well, at MosToosifar, by the way. Don't forget that, it's important. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, you need that. You also need one of these. Okay? Let's not get excited. But more importantly, you need that. Steak, 16 ounces, okay? What I'm gonna do is, before we make a mess, get rid of that. Don't need that. Right? Get that. Just little bits. Yeah. Just like so. Done. Okay. Put that to a side. Literally to a side because you don't need it yet. What you want to do? How you want to open this? How you gonna open this bad boy? The air needs to get to it so you can access it, and open it, and do all sorts. Right? Buy this from your local supermarket. Yeah. Make sure you got clean hands, yeah? Keep saying this in all my videos. Clean hands, people, please. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, have a look at that. Look at this bad boy. Alright? Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's nice. 16 ounces. I don't know how many grams that is, but that's good. If it was bigger, I would have got it, but I couldn't find any. So, what you want to do, get rid of that. You want to marinate it with a pinch of salt. Yeah, put that there. With some pepper. I'm doing this by left hand, so it's quite difficult. Yeah, okay. There's that. And then you just want to like flip it over, spin it around, same thing again. That's a lot. Just salt and pepper really. Salt, pepper, happy days. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Right, you want to put in one of these bad boys. Okay, let it do its thing. Just get some butter, pour it in, let it melt. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Melted butter, I said it guys in the last video. Melted butter smells amazing. Right? So, you want to do that. And also at the same time, you want to turn that one on. But mind you actually, let's leave that one on for now where it's too early. Yeah? Let this melt. Hurry up. Watching butter melt can take a long time and can be boring, so please bear with me. I've boiled some water from the kettle. Just pour it in, let it go and warm up, you know. Do its thing, just get it out of the way so it doesn't go into the... Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. What, mate? Lovely. Right, that's going to start to boil up and all. Meanwhile, look at that. The butter is melted and lovely, isn't it? Isn't it just? Look at that. Look at that. Amazing, amazing. Right, what you want to do is, just so I don't get my hands dirty again, look at that. Look at that. Place this bad boy right on there, yeah? Right, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our water's come to a boil. And I know at the beginning of the video I said I'm going to use noodles, but I'm actually going to use spaghetti pasta, okay? The noodles I found were too thin, and it wasn't going to look nice for this video, so hence why I'm getting half a pack of that. And I'm not going to use it as it is, I'm just going to crack it from the middle. Oh wow, I'm not going to crack it from the middle because it's not. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, this is not what I was looking for. Pour it in. Pour it in. Get rid of all of that. Oh my god. Today is a big mess. Oh, why? Why is everything such a big mess today? Right, what you want to do is give it a little stir, make sure it doesn't stick together, yada yada. You want to add a pinch of salt to it and all, yada yada. Now, you want to get your steak, right? It's supposed to be a non-stick pan, isn't it? And then you want to flip it over, look at that. Look at this bad boy. Why is the butter, what is it, not proper butter, what is it, utterly buttery? Yeah, probably don't use that next time, guys. Yeah, we're going to turn it down so it cooks a bit slower, but properly, you know what I mean? And then you just want to give that a little mix. Yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Guys, next time I'll try and find proper like noodles, thick like that, you know, because what I had going on wasn't doing it. That wasn't the move, you know. So, get rid of that. Clean it up, boy. Clean it up, boy. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, mate? Yep. So guys, this is almost done. I'm gonna let it cook on this side, okay? And now I'm gonna drain this. Get another pan. Make it messy and dirty, okay? Simply by a pinch of salt. Some pepper. Butter. Okay. So just a little bit more for fun. And to top it off, you want to add a tiny bit of soy sauce. That's it. Heat it up, let it do its thing. Whilst that's doing its thing, just check on this, make sure it doesn't burn. Oh my god. Guys, look at that. That looks yummy. That looks amazing. Yeah? So as you saw, there was a little bit of fat there as well. It's burnt, it's gone into it as well. It's melted, not burnt, sorry. So yeah, just kind of poke it a little bit here and there, get the heat going inside it with all the flavors, like salt and pepper. Yeah, amazing, amazing. Right, look at that. Still, let it do its thing right there. Don't disturb it. Yeah, melted butter, come on. Ain't got all day for this. We're getting there, guys. I promise, we're getting there. We are almost there, right? Okay, guys, so you can see it's melted. I don't know if you can see with all the steam going on. That's melted. What you want to do is get your pasta, pour it in, right? Wave it about, wiggle it about, look at that. It's going to change a little bit of colour. Yeah, that's what's supposed to happen. Supposed to, that's yummy. You remember these? Just chuck them in there. That's what you got to do, yeah? Give it a little final stir. Not a lot. There you go. Beautiful. If you want, you can add more of the spring onions. It's entirely up to you. What you want to do is get this lovely steak. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Place it here. First thing you're going to do is, you got to try it now. Look at that. Beautiful. You want to chop the steak. I'm getting carried away, guys. Too good, man. Too good, man. Yeah, it is rubber bowl. Oh my god. Right. Just like so. Get it in there. Make sure you get some of the spring onions in there as well. So obviously you can see everything, right? It would be a shame to miss out on the spring onions if you got it and you didn't show it. There you are. This was supposed to be noodles. I do say it again, but didn't work out quite that way, so yeah, never mind. Okay, come on, get off. Right, now I'm just gonna place that here, right? What you need to do is get yourself some Parmesan cheese, right? Sprinkle it on top. Yeah, that little, it's, look at that, it's amazing. Okay, and now, as a whole, just let me, can you see that? It's a little bit pink, it's still cooked, but all good, right? So, put the knife underneath the bad boy. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Just a little touch on some of the steak, but not a biggie. And there, that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your noodles and steak. Bon appetit, make sure you share, like, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come